Hi students, good evening. Welcome to the Turito. And students, we have been discussing the chemical bond lesson. In chemical bond, we have completed the molecular orbital theory introduction in last class. I have explained how the bonding orbitals are formed, how the anti-bonding orbitals are formed. As far as I remember in the last class, we have done hydrogen molecule and also we have done the H2 plus. Okay. Now we will continue that molecular orbital theory to students. We will do the different examples. Okay. I suggest you better you have the one notebook along with one pen and all the energy diagrams, molecular orbital filling up electrons filling up in the molecular orbitals, paramagnetic nature, calculation of magnetic moment, everything better you note it down. Okay, right. As I told you in the last class, we have done the H2 plus also we have done, and H2 minus if you take, this is the formation of H2 minus. Formation of H2 minus ion. H2 minus ion contains the 3 electrons. H2 minus ion contains the 3 electrons. So it's this one is sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s1. 1s1. And students, here bond order would be number of electrons in the bonding orbitals 2 and minus 1 by 2 is equal to half. So it is fractional, therefore exists but highly unstable. It exists but highly unstable. It exists but unstable. And it is because of the presence of one unpaired electron, it is paramagnetic in nature. And magnetic moment would be 1.73 Bohr magnetons. Because we have only one unpaired electron, therefore it is mu is equal to 1.73 Bohr magnetons. So this is H2 minus. And students, I suggest you write one table here, that is the species and molecular orbital energy level orders and bond order and magnetic behavior, magnetic nature. Okay, write down students here the H2 plus already we have done and H2 minus. Here what is the molecular energy orbital? Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s0 and H2 plus sigma 1s1, sigma star 1s0 and the H2 minus sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s1 and bond order here is equal to 1. Bond order is equal to 1 and this is 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. Magnetic nature, diamagnetic in nature and this is paramagnetic in nature. paramagnetic in nature, and this is also paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic in nature. Write down complete this table, students. This is very important table with respect to hydrogen species. Here mu is equal to 0, mu is equal to 0, here mu is equal to 1.73 Bohr magnetons, and here also known as 1.73 Bohr magnetons. This is with respect to hydrogen students, the species of hydrogen. Very important, note it down. Then we will go for the other molecule, students. This is all for hydrogen species. Right, students, now formation of He2 molecule. Formation of He2 molecule. He2 is helium-2, contains 4 electrons, because each helium contains the 2 electrons, therefore He2 molecule contains the 4 electron. The configuration of the helium is, helium configuration is 1s2, 1s2. So 1s orbital of one helium will combine with the 1s orbital of another helium. I already told you the orbitals of similar energy and similar symmetry will combine with each other. So 1s orbital of one helium will combine with the 1s orbital of another helium to give the 2 orbitals, and this is the 1s of one orbital and this is the 1s orbital of another atom. This is 1s orbital, and here students, here you have 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here. This is molecular energy orbital diagram. This is the sigma 1s2 bonding orbital. We already know that bonding orbitals will have the always less energy than the corresponding parent orbitals, and anti-bonding orbitals will always have the more energy than the corresponding anti-bonding orbitals. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, and there are 4 electrons here, 2 electrons here and 2 electrons here, like this. 1s2, how do you write the electron configuration here? Sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Now bond order is equal to, bond order if you calculate, bond order, number of electrons in bonding orbitals are 2, anti-bonding orbitals are 2 by 2 is equal to 0. Bond order 0 means this molecule does not exist. Does not exist. Helium molecule does not exist because bond order is 0. I already told you, if the bond order is 0 or negative, that molecule will never exist. So, as in the case of He2 molecule, the bond order has come 0, so it never exists. So, it does not exist. He2 molecule never exists. When that molecule is not existing at all, there is no point in calculating the magnetic moment or magnetic nature. Okay, you just write down this one, that's enough. But this is the molecular orbital energy diagram, which is very important. Please write it down. This is the He2 molecule, student. Since bond order is 0, this molecule will never exist. The molecule whose bond order is 0 or negative will never exist. Now formation of, next one is formation of Li2, students, formation of Li2, lithium 2. Formation of Li2, lithium 2 molecule. Li2 molecule means lithium Li2 contains 6 electrons. 6 electrons. One lithium is 1s2 2s1, 1s2 2s1. One is to 2s1. So there will be 6 electrons, then order would be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2 and sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s0. There are only 6 electrons are filled, and this is the 1s orbital. 1s orbital of one lithium atom will combine with the 1s orbital of another lithium atom to form the same diagram. 1s orbital diagram for all the molecules will be same. And now 2s. Now 2s orbital of, now this is the 2s and this is also 2s. Now 2s orbital of one lithium atom will combine with the 2s orbital of another lithium atom to form here there is one unpaired electron, here there is one unpaired electron. Like this. So the 2 electrons will be filled here. This is sigma 2s and this is sigma star 2s. This is the molecular orbital energy diagram for the 2s orbital of lithium atom, and sigma 2s is filled, sigma star 2s is vacant, like this. Here nowhere unpaired electron are present, therefore it is diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic in nature. When it is diamagnetic, magnetic moment would be 0. This is fine. Now students, what is the bond order? Bond order is equal to 4 minus 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Bond order is 1. So as bond order is 1, it exists and stable. Since bond order is 1, lithium molecule exists with the single bond according to molecular orbital theory. Like this. This is Li2 molecule. Write down students, this is the molecular energy orbital diagram for the Li2 molecule. This is the formation of Li2 molecule, students. Now let us see the formation of Be2. Formation of Be2 molecule. Formation of Be2 means beryllium 2. Formation of Be2 molecule. Beryllium contains the atomic number of beryllium is 4. Therefore, it contains 4 electrons. Be2 means it contains 8 electrons. B2 contains 8 electrons. And beryllium configuration is 1s2, 2s2. 1s2, 2s2. So there are 2 electrons in the beryllium. 2s orbital of one beryllium will combine with the 2s orbital of another beryllium. There are 4 electrons, 2 are completed here and 2 are completed here, sigma star 2s2, like this. This is the 1s orbital molecular energy diagram and this is the 2s molecular energy orbital diagram. Same will continue for the next elements, boron, carbon, nitrogen, this is same. So every time we are not going to write all these things. Now it is done. Now we are going to write only the p orbitals. Now you have to understand this is the 1s and 2s for all the atoms henceforth are same. Okay. Now here bond order. Bond order is equal to number of electrons in bonding orbitals are 4, anti-bonding orbitals are 4, this is 0. So 0 means it does not exist. This molecule does not exist, Be2 does not exist. This is formation of Be2, students. Now let us see the formation of B2. And students, now onwards for B2, boron molecule, carbon, nitrogen, this 1s and 2 orbitals are 1s and 2s are molecular orbital diagrams are same. That is the reason why we are not going to write them again and again. So now you have to understand the same will be repeated in each and every molecule. Okay. Right. Now let us see the formation of B2. Formation of B2. Boron contains the B2 contains the 10 electrons, and boron configuration is, students, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Now p orbital is started. 1s orbital of one boron will combine with the 1s orbital of another boron, will form the 1s orbital molecular orbital diagram, what we have seen in the earlier examples. And similarly 2s orbital of one boron atom will combine with the 2s orbital of another boron atom to form the 2s molecular orbital energy diagram, the way we have seen in the earlier example, for example He2, Li2. Now 2p, how it goes 2p? Now students, 2p is this is the 2p. Two p orbitals, and 2p orbitals will form like this. Up to here, what is the order? Px, Py, Pz are the C. Pi 2 Py is equal pi 2 Pz, and this is like this. So if you take this one, sigma 2 Px pi star 2 Py is equal pi star 2 Pz, and this is sigma star 2 Px, sigma star 2 Px. And here students, one electron in each one. This is one electron, this is one electron. So total how many electrons? 2 electrons. So here the 2 electrons must be half filled here, because molecular orbitals also follow the Hund's rule. According to Hund's rule, if the similar energy orbitals are there, they must be half filled before pairing takes place. As these two orbitals are identical in energy, they must be half filled before pairing takes place. So one electron here, one electron here, remaining do not have any electrons. So here order is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, and sigma star 2s2, and pi 2 Py is equal pi 2 Pz, and this is one electron, this is one electron, 10 electrons. Therefore here bond order would be number of electrons in bonding orbital 6 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 1. So B2 will exist, and it is paramagnetic in nature. Because of the presence of unpaired electrons, it is paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic in nature. What is the magnetic moment? Mu is equal to 2 unpaired electrons, 2.84 Bohr magnetons. Right. This is all about the B2 molecule. According to molecular orbital theory, B2 molecule exists as like this, single bond, because there is a only one bond here, like this. This is about the B2 molecule, students. Write down. This is B2 molecule, students. Formation of boron. Next, students, formation of C2. Formation of C2. Formation of C2. C2 contains the 12 electrons. C2 contains the 12 electrons. And carbon configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2s2, 2p2. So, C2 means 12 electrons. 12 electron means the electron configuration would be written like this: sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, and sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma star 2s2, and 8 electrons. Next, pi 2py, pi 2pz, and here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons, 12 electrons. Now, if you draw the energy diagram, will be like this, Padhu. So, Px, Py and Px, Py. Same, there is no difference actually. Here, like this, and this one would be like this. Like this, same, and this is pi 2py, pi 2py is equal pi 2pz, and this is sigma 2px, sigma 2px, and this is pi star 2py is equal pi star 2pz, and sigma star 2px, like this. Now, how many electrons, students? Pi 2py2, pi 2pz. So, here 2 electrons will be filled here, like this. Here 2 electrons, 4 electrons, remaining are vacant. Here bond order for CO2 is, bond order is equal number of electrons in bonding orbitals, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Bond order is 2. And no unpaired electrons. So, therefore, it is a diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic in nature. And students, as the diamagnetic in nature, no unpaired electrons, mu would be equals to 0. So carbon, according to the molecular orbital theory, between the two carbon atoms double bond exists, because bond order is nothing but the number of bonds between two atoms. As the bond order is 2 here, between the two carbon atoms double bond will exist. This is the formation, each carbon contains 2 electrons, therefore here full of the 2 electrons here, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 4 electrons, and 4 electrons must be written here. This is what formation of C2 molecule. Now, formation of N2 students. Now we are going to enter into the nitrogen and related species, which are very, very important. Okay. Now let us see the formation of N2. Formation of N2 molecule. And students, nitrogen contains the 14 electrons. Nitrogen contains the 14 electrons, and nitrogen configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. That means 1s orbital of one nitrogen atom combines with the 1s orbital of another nitrogen atom, and similarly 2s orbital of one nitrogen atom will combine with the 2s orbital of another nitrogen atom, and 2p orbitals of one nitrogen atom combines with the 2p orbitals of another nitrogen atom. So here 2p orbitals takes place. What is the bond order? 14 electrons means sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma star 2s2. And pi 2py is equal pi 2pz, and here 2 electrons, total how much, students? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and sigma 2px 2. This is the electrons. So now orbital energy diagram, if you take, you also can draw, students, once you understand this is very simple. 2p orbital of one nitrogen atom, 2p orbital of another nitrogen atom, and this will combine. First lowest energy is pi 2py, right. Next lowest energy is sigma 2px, highest energy is pi 2px, next highest is sigma 2px. sigma 2px pi star 2py is equal to pi star 2pz and sigma star 2px and students, here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons. Like this. Now students, calculate the bond order. Bond order is equal to 10 electrons in the bonding orbitals and anti-bonding orbitals are 4 by 2 is equal to 3. That is the reason why nitrogen molecule will exist as N triple bond N. So as the bond order is 3, that indicates between the two nitrogen atoms 3 bonds are there. Therefore, N triple bond 3. And here students, all of them are paired electrons. Therefore, it is diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic in nature. And magnetic moment would be 0. This is the information related to the nitrogen molecule. And this is the molecular energy diagram of nitrogen. This is formation of N2 molecule. Next, formation of N2 plus. Formation of N2 plus. N2 plus means students 13 electrons. N2 is the 14 electrons. One positive charge indicates loss of 1 electron. Therefore, N2 plus contains N2 plus contains 13 electrons. 13 electrons means electron configuration would be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2 and sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma star 2s2 and this is pi 2py is equal to pi 2pz and 2 and this one sigma 2px. Sigma 2px1. Now the bond order is equal to 9 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 2.5. And it is paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic in nature and magnetic moment will be 1.73 Bohr magnetons. This is N2 plus. Bond order is 2.5. And students, here we write N2 is equals to bond order is 3 and N2 plus the bond order is 2.5. This is for N2 plus students. Now N2 minus, N2 minus, N2 minus. Fifteen electrons. 15 electrons means pi star 2py is equal pi star 2pz, and this is 1 electron. as it contains the 1 electron, paramagnetic magnetic moment is 1.73, but bond order will be changed. 2.5 only, but calculation is different. And this is 10 minus 5 by 2, 2.5 only. This is N2 minus. So N2 minus will also be 2.5 students. Right, this is for N2 minus. Now students, formation of N2 2 minus. N2 2 minus. N2 2 minus means 16 electrons. N2 2 minus. 16 electrons means 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 and 16. 16 electrons. Now what is the bond order? Bond order is equal to, this is 10 and here it is 6. Anti-bonding orbitals now become 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. 10 by 6 equal to 2. Bond order is 2. Then magnetic moment would be .84 Bohr magnetons. So here N2 2 minus is 2. So this is for N2 2 minus students. Now let us write the one table related to the nitrogen. Here we write the heading species. Now students, let us see here species. This table is very important, species and molecular orbital filling ups, molecular orbital energy order, and magnetic nature, bond order, and this is magnetic nature. Species is N2. N2 plus N2 minus N2 2 minus. Sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2 and sigma 2s2 and sigma star 2s2 and this one is pi 2py is equal pi 2pz and here 2 and sigma 2px2. Bond order is 3 and magnetic nature is diamagnetic in nature. And this one is N2 plus is same, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2 and sigma star 2s2, pi 2py is equal pi 2pz and 2 here and sigma 2px1 and bond order is how much? 2.5 and because of the presence of unpaired electron it is paramagnetic in nature. And here there is one more electron will be added here, N2 minus means sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2 and sigma 2s2, just you have to add one more electron here, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py is equal pi 2pz and 2 electrons, 12 and sigma 2px2 and pi star 2py is equal pi star 2pz. This is 1 and 2.5 is the order and because of the presence of unpaired electron, bond order and magnetic nature. Here bond order is 3 and here it is 2.5 and here it is 2.5. Diamagnetic, paramagnetic and paramagnetic, like this. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py is equal pi 2pz to 2, and sigma 2px 2 and pi star 2py is equal pi star 2pz 1 1. So here 2. Bond order is 2 and paramagnetic in nature. Right. And this is the table related to the N2 species, students. And here mu is equal to 0 and mu is equal to 1.73 Bohr magnetons, and here also mu is equal to 1.73 Bohr magnetons, and this is 2.84, like this. This is all species. Very important point you have to remember is, as the number of negative charges increases, the bond order decreases. That is a very important point. As the number of negative charges increases, the bond order decreases in case of nitrogen species. That is the point you must write here. As the number of negative charges increases, the bond order decreases. And this is the very important table related to the nitrogen species. N2, N2 plus, N2 minus, N2 2 minus. So this is the table related to the nitrogen molecules and species, students, and up to here the sp overlapping is applicable. As the sp overlapping is applicable, sigma 2px will come after the pi 2py, pi 2pz. Very important, okay. And this table, this order I have written for the sake of practice. You can, if you want, you can write this one. And bond orders, very important is, number of negative charges increases, number of negative charges increase, bond order decreases. Bond order decreases. So this is how the molecule takes place, students. So students, we have completed for H2, H2 plus, H2 minus, hydrogen species we completed. Then we have done for He2, Li2, Be2, B2, C2, N2 and N2 plus, N2 minus, N2, 2 minus. All these species molecular energy orbital diagrams we have discussed very clearly, and we have calculated the bond order, and we have seen the magnetic nature and everything. And this is the complete description of the molecular orbital theory up to nitrogen. Now in next class we are going to see the oxygen, where sp overlapping is missing, therefore the sigma 2px will be lower energetic than the pi 2py and pi 2pz. How it goes we will see in the next class, and that's all for today's class. See you in the next class. Okay, till then have a safe time and have a nice time, students.